My BoxyCharm arrived today and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. So here's a little card with more information. I got box variation number 1. So the first product I pull out is by Too Faced, and it's a Diamond Light highlighter. This is such a cute little box, and it looks like it's in like a little jewelry box. It's a very pretty highlighter. I love how it has pink in it. Now let me swatch it. Here it is swatched on my finger. Let me swatch it on my hand. So here it is swatched on my hand. It looks a little gold also, and you can see the pink. And I think I might use this as an eyeshadow. The next item is from Wander Beauty. It's called A Trip for Two. Very pretty blush and contour. I love that it comes with a mirror and it's a great size. Next product is from Avant. This is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask, so I can't wait to try this. Next up from Manica D'Or, this is a Whip Lip, and it's a really pretty shade. Not sure if I'll keep it or use it. I may give it away, so I'm not going to open it. So next up from Ace Beauty, this is an eyeshadow palette. Here are the colors. They are so pretty. Definitely some colors I've never used before. I love that it comes with a mirror. I love the shade Cactus, and I can't wait to use it and see how it looks. So I used up my points and I got this from Laura Geller. It's a beautiful highlighter. This is just so pretty, and I've heard a lot of good reviews on this highlighter. I cannot wait to use it. Here's everything I received in this month's box. Let me know if you got any similar products. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.